So if a young child, so when I say young child, I mean between the ages of say 10 to 16, were to come to you and say, Scott, what's this construction thing about and why should I even be bothered about it? Would the message be different for a male than it would a female? I know you've got children and one of them's a girl and one of them's a boy, so you understand the dynamic there.
The message would be no different at all.
Okay.
I think the industry has matured significantly, certainly in my lifetime, and I think it's exponentially matured over the last 10 years,
Mm,
where the opportunities to male, female, there isn't, the line is now completely blurred. There's no difference in the opportunities afforded. What I don't think we do is we don't talk about the variety of careers
okay.
that are huge and ever increasing. That's from in terms of the pre-construction and the approach to digitalization through the trades that we still need, but trades that are being undertaken in factory and environments now rather than having to travel the country.
Mm,
It really is such a diverse, exciting, for me anyway,
mm,
industry
mm.
where you can go and be almost whatever you want to be to whatever particular niche of interest you have.
So talk about quantity surveying as an example. A
Yes.
10 to 16-year-old wouldn't understand that. How would you break that down for them so that they would understand it and it may even be appealing to them?
Everything's about the money. Everything we do ultimately, I believe, businesses are about making money. But the homes that we live in, the buildings that we inhabit, the office that we're in, studio that we're in today, somebody has to work out what that's going to cost. Somebody needs to work out the amount of materials that goes into that. The people that work out need to work hand in glove with the architect, with the logistics teams, with the material suppliers. That commercial role, quantity surveyor, commercial manager, plays a pivotal role in the whole process. But it's not just them being a pivotal role. It is a team game, and you simply can't do this on your own. Everybody needs to work together. And I think that's what's really struck me over the years is that I am a small cog in a very large machine,
Mm.
and that very large machine has built some incredible and inspiring buildings. I've spent a lot of my career building schools. I'm now spending it building hospitals. I've spent time building sports facilities. There is, for me, a personal satisfaction that comes out of being
Mm.
like a quantity surveyor, a cog in that very large machine
Mm.
to achieve things which are much greater than any single individual could ever deliver on their own.
That's great. If I was a 10-year-old and someone was to come to me and say, hey, Darren, do you see that building over there?
Yeah.
Or you see that area? You can have a significant role in designing and shaping and building that.
Yeah.
Would you be interested? I'd be like, oh, yeah, absolutely.
And maybe, maybe it's because I still like Lego. I grew up on Lego. It's one of the most popular toys on the planet. Lego sets for both male, female, and we lose that. Many of us have grown up on Lego kits. Well, as we start to move into a world of modern methods of construction, which I know we're going to talk about, kit of parts. Well, Lego kits are a kit of parts.
Mm.
Something I grew up with and something I still love. And our buildings are actually not so different from those kit of parts, Lego kits that we've all grown up with.
Principles are exactly the same, aren't they?
Indeed.
And especially now, things like games like Roblox,
Yeah.
Minecraft.
Yes.
I don't think Roblox is the right one. Absolutely not the right one.
Minecraft.
Minecraft is the
Yeah.
one where you're able to build and construct stuff. Again, looking at when you said a kit of parts.
Yeah.
It's the same principle, right?
Indeed.
As a QS would have.
Absolutely, indeed. Yes. But the toys are a bit bigger and a bit more expensive, and instead pence, it's millions.